Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle. To my new subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, I so much appreciate. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my agidi with corn starch. Yeah, especially for those living in diaspora. Guys, keep watching and let's get started. Here are the list of ingredients needed for this recipe. We have corn starch, water. For the wrapping, I'm using nylon bag. You can as well use foil, banana leaf, or your preferable ones, okay? Next, pour the corn starch in a clean pot. Now add some water to it and keep mixing. Add the water bit by bit and keep mixing. Make sure there is no lumps found in it. Mix until it is smooth, light and nice, just like this. It shouldn't be too thick and too watering, okay? Next, transfer to your stove or cooker and set the heat to medium-low, okay? And keep stirring continuously. At this point, you need to keep stirring so you don't end up with lumps, okay? This time, you don't need to stop stirring. Keep stirring until it is well thickened. Yeah. As you can see now, it is becoming thicker. Remember, the quantity of water added depends on how thick or light you want your agidi. So here I am aiming for light and soft agidi. Keep stirring until it turns transparent white, okay? Just like this. Now go ahead and put a small quantity in a bowl of cold water. If it sets on cooling down, then it is done. Yeah, now we are done. Wrap it up immediately if you want to get that smooth texture, okay? Don't let it cool down before wrapping. So now I went ahead to scoop the agidi into the nylon bag and tie it up. Yeah, so I repeated this process until I'm done using it up. And now we are done tying them up. Yeah, you can see the color, right? So once it cools down, it will turn back to its normal silk white. So I went ahead to transfer it in a bowl of cold water. You can as well leave it that way or you can place it in the fridge. So it depends on your choice. As you can see, the agidi has completely cooled down. Can you see what I'm talking about? The color is now perfect. Our agidi is ready. Now let's open one of it up and see how the inside looks. You can see the agidi is so light, soft and smooth, guys. It is time to serve. I will be enjoying my agidi with hot goat meat pepper soup. Or you can as well enjoy yours with akara or in whichever way you prefer. Guys, this tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. I will be dropping the full measurement list of ingredients in the description box below. Thanks for watching and remain blessed. Bye.